So therefore, unembeza or conscience is something that should never be destroyed. It doesn't matter how much is the opportunity cost of you getting that thing, but you can't destroy my eye. So the effort that we do at GK is to go back to Okokobe, to Embo, and build a perfect human being. Where you are not going to be monitored by anybody. That's why sitting members. Remember ukuthi yonke into ihamba ngama-cycle. So icycle besikuyo, it's at the tail end, right? But the confusion esikuyo ukuthi there's no clarity in our minds as to where are we supposed to go as a collective of black people. There's that confusion. Unokusaba, which has led us not to articulate how we feel. There's a lot of things that is happening to us, but now we accept. Why? Because right? If bongena namapolice, ngabe dala sayiso. But now, because of its system, lengena conscience, it has dominated us over the years. And it will continue dominating us as long as we are not able to go back to Embo. How do we go back to Embo? Restructure our community. Remember, Guti, before there was what is called the rites of passage, right? Those were structures that were created to create order and harmony in the community. Meaning, Guti, ingane zikhuliswa ngale igaba zamabutho ukuthi ibutho la 1 to 7, ibutho la 7 to 14, ibutho la 14 to 21. Those were systems that brought harmony, to us. In that way, it's going to be very difficult for us to fully go back there, because it's uncontrollable. It's uncontrollable. If we were to start, just to come as an example, like Olan, if all the parents were to agree, this is how we raise our children. We are raising them so that they are able to follow the right path, not the path that we're following now.
No.
Why? Because the path is mostly motivated by material things. Material position, this is what has messed up our society, which is why even, the so-called leaders, they don't care. They don't care because they themselves, they've killed Nembeza. You can never have Nembeza and allow the majority of your people to live in squalor. It means you've killed Nembeza, because umuntu oneNembeza uyafila umama ngesixhosa sithi inimba. Mawungasengalimba, especially umama, usenkingeni. And remember ukuthi indlovukazi yizo that are supposed to keep the law to the children. So if indlovukazi zilahlile, what happened to the nation? Look at our nation is finished. There's no longer a nation. Why do we call ourselves a nation? Because we can't even feed ourselves. Asekho uNembeza othi labelungu laba bangasibulala. When are we going to stop eating their food? There's no longer that thing, because we take everything as if it's like that. Huh? We're not born like this. We were put in this condition by people who have lost Nembeza. How do you leave Europe and come and kill and maim people and take their land? It means
Yes.
and for you to also be proud about it. And make movies. You know, this is what we did in Congo. This is what we did there. This is what we did there. Those are people who are no longer guided by Ma'at. So Ma'at wafa the day we're colonized. Because a colonization came vele as an instrument to destroy us. You know, so that they take away everything that we have. Look at the white people in South Africa. Do they have conscience?
No.
How do they have conscience when they are sitting? Huh? They are hogging money, but they won't release that money. Why? Because it doesn't serve them. For them to be able to start factories, huh? It's right. It's going to take them a long time for them to even see the returns of their investment. But the interest is not there. The interest is to keep us in the condition forever, so that they are able to deal with us. So, Tina, we are preparing, or we are living a future today. You know, because this is the future that we want. A future that will have people about the conscience. Without you can't build a nation without those components, because unembeza into semqoka emuntwini kakhulu, right? Mina ukuthi ngizosaba ukutshontsha. And nakhona there's no need for us to steal. We were put in this position for us to be able to experience scarcity. Makutshontshwe inkomo zakho wezandla bwana. Awurepossess. Manje mawurepossess abantu usigebengu. Hey, but you isigebengu mawurepossessa. Right? Meaning ukuthi that's why I'm saying even the system itself is rotting to the core. You can never expect justice from an unjust system. Then they said we set up a system to protect this that have stolen from you. Mina ukuthi yonke lento bengiyenza mina akusho lutho, ayikho into engithintayo, mina ukuthi ngifile I'm dead. For me to be able to be bold enough and set up a system to protect my theft. So this is the situation we find ourselves in as black people in South Africa. But Ma'at, remember, Ma'at is not only physical. Ma'at is spiritual. Right? Meaning Ma'at moya. Umoya owabakona right from the beginning. From the beginning when a creation happened, Ma'at was there. They get inactive but through Atum. Atum wamvusa ngokuthi amname ukuthi wena ulokhu. This is when all these principles became active, meaning ukuthi you can't get rid of Ma'at. Ungamthulisa umsilence within you, but you can't get rid of it. It's like Uset is a necessary force. You can't get rid of, Uset. Uset you am confined, Abupi. Endaweni yakhe. Uset umbeke endaweni yakhe. That Ma'at, uye okumele avule indlela. Uye okumele avule indlela uMa'at. For us to be able to even master umoya, we need to master Ma'at, not Jehovah. These are two principles. Remember, Guti, they participate in all spheres of creation because there's got to be a structure, there's got to be a communication of the structure. So therefore, Uma Art no Jewuti Yibo. Right? And remember, Uma Art no Jewuti, they are one with who?
Ra.
Aha. Uma Art no Jewuti, they are one with Ura. They are not a separate principle. Meaning Uti, they are part of Ra. So therefore, Lonambeza sizalwa naye. Unambeza simluza much later when we are then socialized in whatever different ways. You know, that's when umuntu abona ukuthi okay, fine, I have an advantage of a position that I have. But it doesn't mean ukuthi mose officini uqashiwe. You can't steal from your people. Meaning ukuthi mawuthola chance ntovukazi, do right. So that uzokhona ukulala. You can't sleep properly mawutshontshile because ulokhu uyakhatha ukuthi kungena bani. Hey, that's what we don't want as a people. Angifuni ukuthi mengilele ngithi ngizwa imoto
sothi yibo
sengiyathuka. Ngithi I would rather ngithengisa ama-apple nama-orange for me to be able to make clean money. Ngoba le mali hey eza ngokuningi ingozi ubulale ba uthengise bani. Do you understand? Those are things that we do to satisfy the needs of this fleshy umzimba. Everything that we do is to satisfy the umzimba. Kepha inaphakathi lakho
alinakuphumula mkhulu.
lithi thola ukuthi now utshontshe 100 million ise-Switzerland ayikho nala mawutshontshe leyo mali kunokuthi leyo mali iyofaka amafastere esikolweni esithize sishodayo. Wena ubona ukuthi it is proper for you to travel to France, to travel to Germany, to explore. Amadlozi abantu obadeprivile bathini? Esikhathini esiningi it's all about that. Umoya uthini? Yazi one of the days in Kulman Ndaba ezithala kukhaya uthi kimi I don't mind ukuthengisa ngwane kepha okhokho mengifika kubo bazothini. So we no longer have that. Yonke into nje ivumelekile and yithi esivumelayo isilakuza umuntu la athengisa izinto abukuyozitshontsha uthengela. Why do you buy those things?
Ngoba umnikazi uyakhala.
Umnikazi uyakhala mina ukuthi leyo nto ithathayo ihamba nenyembezi. So what I'm trying to say ukuthi thina kumele sisabe umoya more than any other thing. Ngoba umoya can see through anything. Umoya uyakubona noma ukuphi. So you must never uzikhohlise ukuthi nobody sees you. Umoya uyakubona. Angithi sesi we are wiser now. We know that we are surrounded by atoms. And the atoms are conscious, have got a memory. So why do you think angekubona? Makungalimalanga wena ndovukazi ingane zakho. The very same thing oyenze to deprive the whole nation. Idlozi lithi unje.
Yeah.
Ucabanga ukuthi awubonwa wena. Uyabona into enjani? So okhokho bethu were trying to guide us. And then nakhona ukuthi we are not supposed to work hard for what we want. Okhokho taught us ukuthi you create your own future in your mind. So the reason for scarcity is not there. Scarcity is imagined. Why? Because it's something that you experience yourself. And it's a mental issue. You can never experience scarcity if you are busy constructing the future that you want in your mind. Angeke, there's no reason ukuthi uhambe uyobamba inkunzi. Uyojumpa ama-fence lapha, ukhuzi apha ebank. There's no reason for that. I know ukuthi a lot of people baba desperate, but okhokho bethu have taught us ukuthi we have all the power within us. We just have to believe in ourselves. Uma into ngiyibona clear, I just stay there. I stay in that picture. I stay in the emotion that is evoked by that picture. And it happens. Inkinga yethu siyavilapha. We are very lazy.
Isono ukuvilapha mkhulu.
Kuba ngathi umuntu umkhulu ukhuluma into that is impossible. We all have a photographic memory. We all have a photographic memory. So, picture yakho uyayazi man into oyifunayo. And it's very personal. You know very well ukuthi ufunani. So there's no reason for us ukuthi size hate somebody for us to be able to achieve what we want. Training the mind. Not only training it, but living it. Because many people then. And umajahi. It has taken me over 20 years for lento calendar ukuthi bahambe. I know at the end, Umtomyama has got to revert back to that calendar. There's no other way, there's no other way. It can take me as long as it's happy, but Oksala, Umtomyama. So some of our dreams, his or his, aziko bright enough. You have a vision, you have a dream, but we're now out-footing. Why? Because we are accustomed to Lando Yama connection.
Man.
Sometimes, more mundu omoya, njengathi, awudinga connection.
No mkhulu.
Umoya. La muntu omfunayo umfaka endlini athuke ebhayizela kuwe hayibo ulandoda. Hey, those are the workings. The meaning which all Coco Betu are saying to us, there's nothing impossible. You can be, you can achieve whatever you want. Sebenza. La.
Yeah.
La, the thought together with the emotion. Remember, what is the emotion? Remember, emotion is controlled by the heart. Magnetic. Right? Especially when you are a free flow. More free flow when end of class. And the ending to remember what you ngati. Abanbomoya, don't finish the race. You don't finish the race. You don't concern yourself about ukuthi izoyenzakala nini kanjani. Hey, it's true. Ngathi mina enye into makhe. Into uyibonga ingakafiki. Ngitshela into eyenzakalela. Ekseni. Ngixakekile ngithi ish. Manje amasenta ayashoda nyanga. Sithenga kanjani.
Mariyazi ngimhlolo nami.
Kwangena umuntu 5 minutes later uzothenga incwadi ezithu.
Oh
Ukubonga into
in advance.
ingakafiki.
In advance.
Meaning ukuthi umoya is already connected.
Hey.
Huh? You are connected already. Ayikho lento ukuthi usakhathiwe. Into that is important is the repetition. Iphinde lento. Ungabhoreki. Whether uhleli, whether we are driving, phinda lento wena okuyimantra yakho. I've created my own mantra. I know ukuthi hey man, mengisekhoneni nakho engikuphinda. And angifuna ubona ukuthi le mali izoza ngoba ngiyabona.
Kodwa kusala yeza.
Okusalayo.
Yes.
Ngesikhathi sayo. Yikho ngithi the intensity of the emotion. This is what we need to master. We need to be emotionally intelligent. Emotional intelligence is not only about you ukuzibamba makunelulu estrategi. It's not about that.
No.
Emotional intelligence, it means ukuthi you choose the emotions that you decide to hold within. That is emotional intelligence. Ama emotions that are assisting you to achieve your thing. Even the thought. Remember, the thoughts are not resident like it. The thoughts are from the plasma.
Yes.
The source of everything. Meaning, that's why you can't stop them. Sometimes I'll call Noglana. Hey, sometimes I'll call Noglana. Why? Because they're from the sun. Huh? The sun is forever broadcasting to you. Right? So, there are millions of thoughts. Khethe yodwa. Owazi kahle ukuthi yabona le ngizolokhu ngiyiphinda. But what is important? The emotion. Emotion is clue. Yiyo ke eyenza ukuthi manifestation yakho iza how fast. The stronger the emotion, the higher the frequency of God. Hey, for you to be able to receive whatever that you wish for. So, Okokubet we're saying, art must be the foundation. Yeah, young people. Art must be the foundation in Piloya. Right? You can only think of negative things if so uphelela my plan. When there are so many things, when there are so many ideas, when there are so many thoughts that just come to you, enye into wenza, thola into wenza, enye into remember ukuthi we always have got to be in motion. Ngithe mina mawufunini on a Sunday, hamba ubuka feel out there. That's the emotion you want. That's the emotion you want. Same thing with the car. Fully motor. Hambe garage. Hambe garage because already we are a pillar.
Yes. Okay.
Ufike lapho. This is the car one. Uphuma lapho with that emotion. Yes. Do you understand? Yes. Hey, same thing. No, umuntu wishes to be a doctor. Buy a white thing. Tell the line, hey, because already suyayipila. Hey, noma sikubona la eJarkini ubhizi ngale into yakho ngithi. Hey, so you've chosen it. So ilapho there's no ayikho enye into ngathi different in a way ukuthi uze kube ama miracles. I-problem yethu i-frustration. Ngifuna lento ifike next week. That's our frustration. You want to determine. Remember ourselves at that experiment, double slit experiment. Msayikhumbula? There is that double slit experiment where they are pushing protons through these slits. When they observe, they become particles. When they are not observed, they remain a wave. So umoya awufuna ugadwa. Ungalokhu ubelesele udeliver nina. Umoya usebenzi kanjalo makhehla. Hey, umoya, remember ukuthi umoya knows everything that you want. Umoya knows everything that you need. Huh? So when now get melu unikeze umoya a chance to be able to breathe. Huh? Hey, ngoba ama request ethu nezifiso zethu ziningi, but ngithi mina overall iba ne vision eyodwa. Okay, zi-10 lezinto engifuna ukuzenza, but ehamba phambili na. You've got to be able to calculate wena yourself ukuthi naye ehamba phambili le ngizoyinesa until izipake la kumele ipake khona. Ungapheli umoya. Basidiscourage-ile ngekhalenda basitshela ukuthi uyahlala when we started the calendar. And we're telling them, we can never move forward whilst we are being misaligned. Deliberately so. Meaning, misaligned abantu, ubabulele. What umnyama behavior ngalendlela? It's a misaligned character. Umoya le, when ulandela umlungu ngapha. Hey, yonke into possession, and okhokho bakho bayale. That's why kuba nzima masenze izinto akumelanga zibe difficult. Akumelanga izinto mesizenza zibe difficult. Kumele kube lula. Into mayiqala kumele ubone ngama signs ukuthi there are signs that are giving me clarity ukuthi okhokho bethu bayivuma lento. Lawo ma-signs mengakho suka lapho asinto yakho. Remember, another thing ezokwenza ukuthi ube insecure is your foundation. How secured are you? Ngoba awukwazi ukuhamba ukuyosukela something which is far away from you. Mele udonse from within.
Yes.
Mina talent yami, mina my purpose is this one. Mele ukwazi lokho, because without clarifying that uzolokhu uxovuda. You need to understand your purpose. Ukuthi no, mina kahle kahle i-mandate yami why I'm here on earth is to be able to do this and this and that. Lokho kumele kuvume nomoya ngaphakathi kwayo. Ungavumi nje wena ukuthi ngiyathanda lento because yenziwa iBrian. My friend yami is doing it very well. You can't do that. You can't do that because you need to be established. Imagine again, mina, if I wasn't Sahmed, if I wasn't the person that I am, ngenza something else, but the foundation has been established because ngiyazazi ngiyilento engiyiyo. And the purpose into okumele ngiyenze emhlabeni yile. Wonke ngithole ngicula naboRino. ngikhule ngeBrian kepha angake ngiyifanise naye. Why? Because mina bangivala ivoice. Bengifisa ukucula with all my heart yonke into.
Sokufuna la. Sokufuna la.
Hamba ukhuluma.
Sokufuna la.
Hey, hamba ukhuluma wena. Do you understand? Uthi mangifika lapho ngathola ukuthi hamba. Kuyaflowa. Yonke into iyaflowa. Yazi makumele ngifundise even ama-classes ethu besinayo Thursday. Ngiba ngenye head. I become so happy. Angifuna ukubhadalwa lapho. Ngenza into that completes me. Akushoti lutho. Akushoti lutho. Yingakho ke wonke umuntu before ulontsha Thole ukuthi mina ngu-Andrew yini le kumele ngiyiqaphe, yini le kumele ngiyiqaphe, mina ngu-Neptune kumele ngivike yini le ngiyivikela. Do you understand?